What's up guys? Bahalag init diri Cebu, but winter is coming. Idol man ako dragons, so mag speed art ko og blue eyes dragon. Set up ko 3 angles sa camera. This is for the top view. Phone ako ibutan diri. This is for my front camera. The third one is ari na ko ibutang para sa side view. Gamit ko og mo ni akong dry box. This is for the side angle diri. Kani is for the front view, which is diri. So for the front view, gamitan ako wide lens. Then the 50mm side view. Top view is my phone. First speed art setup. So let's start the speed art na sa Game of Thrones nga dragons. But first, mag-claps ako para mo sync easily ang audio sa tulo ka buong camera sa top view, sa front view, and side view. Para nag-abot na sa Adobe Premiere na ako nga gamiton, dali ra kayo siya mo sync. All the audio of the 3 cameras are functioning. So okay. So muna akong gamiton for drawing. Oslo paper. Dugay na ka-start of draw. Try na. Let's try. Pwede niyo akong gamit. Complete na. Let's draw a dragon.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. if you wanna leave this town. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel again, I wanted something real. Just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal.
Morning ako speed art and it takes 2 hours